I'm going to show you what was in my emergency wedding day kit and some of the things that I included that might help you think about what you want to include in your emergency kit. Starting off, I included gum, Listerine strips, and I included some snacks like granola bars, Gushers, just different variety of snacks like chips. I actually had a breakfast slash wedding day or wedding morning party for my bridesmaids. And so I had all the snacks laid out on the table alongside breakfast. And that included the granola bars, the chips, and things that they can just pack into their wedding day purses. I also included deodorant and an emergency sewing kit. I included an emergency sewing kit just because we had kids in the wedding party, ring bearers, as well as a flower girl. And I had folks coming in from out of state, so I wanted to make sure that no one ripped anything and needed to sew it up. This is also handy for me to keep. I had travel tissue ready to go. A lot of tears were shed. Also had microfiber sweat towels ready to go as well. As I mentioned, it was a warmer day, so just wanted to make sure that everyone looked their best. I did provide the one size setting spray for my bridesmaids. I had 2 of these brand new ready to go. I wanted to make sure all of our makeup stayed in place. We spent the morning doing our makeup together. We did not hire a makeup artist. That's a whole nother story. But I did my own makeup for my wedding day, and my bridesmaids did their makeup, and we made the most out of it. We made a whole morning of just doing makeup, eating breakfast, lunch, enjoying some really good music from my wedding playlist. And I wanted to just make sure that our makeup was not going anywhere. I also knew that there would be a lot of crying, and this came in handy. Makeup did not smudge. I stand by this. I've been using this even before my wedding and will continue to use it because this has saved me so many days. When I'm crying, when I'm sweating, my makeup has not moved. The only mistake I did make is I forgot to purchase waterproof mascara, and that did mess up my makeup a tad bit from one of my eyes. It was a quick fix. So make sure you do pack a makeup bag, which I did. And it really came in handy to be able to touch up my makeup after my first look with my husband. Provided safety pins. This will also come in handy for myself after the wedding. So a lot of the items I was buying, I also knew that I can use after the wedding. Bobby pins, just in case. And I also use bobby pins all the time. So this was definitely not a waste of money. I will be destroying this probably within the next year. I provided floss because you never know. This I did not buy for the wedding. I just keep floss in my house, and I usually have like a 6-pack of these, and I just threw one in there for the wedding day. We didn't need it, but just in case. Travel size Listerine, just in case. I had the strips, but you never know. Provided toothbrush, travel size toothpaste. You tend to get nauseous randomly, especially when it's high stress situations or when I'm really hot. So I provided Dramamine. It is for motion sickness. I've used this when I've gone on boats, and it really just helps clearing up nausea. Lotion. Wanted to make sure that we all had beautiful, lovely, hydrated skin. I also provided medicine like Advil, Tylenol, Imodium. I had emergency eye drops, cotton sheets just in case it got oily, but one size helped with that. I provided nipple covers, body tape, just in case anyone needed this. Like I said, a lot of my bridesmaids were traveling, and I just wanted to make sure that they were all set. Provided a spare phone charger and the boxes. We all have iPhones. I had super glue ready to go. Purell hand sanitizing wipes. I just have these anyway. I like to keep them around and in my car. I keep these all the time because we just need them always. Those are just some of the items that I can remember and I have on deck that were in my emergency kit. I hope you get to use some of these in your emergency kit. I hope this video is useful for the brides getting ready to prepare their emergency kit. I know I had to look up a list, so just having someone spew out some of the things they had in theirs might be helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.